Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at displacement reactions, and in particular we're going to have a look at the redox nature of a displacement reaction. To help us understand this, I've written down the phrase that we need to remember, that oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gaining electrons. And we need to understand the word redox, and the word redox comes from putting these two words together. So the red is reduction and the ox is oxidation, and that refers to oxidation is loss and reduction is gain. So here's an example. We've got magnesium reacting with iron sulfate. Magnesium is more reactive than iron, so therefore displaces the iron, forming magnesium sulfate, as you can see, and there is the iron displaced. Now the reason I've put these two in red is because they're actually spectator ions. If I separate this out into the charges, I will end up with magnesium plus my iron. This is an ionic compound, so here I'm going to get Fe2 plus, and then I will get SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Okay, on the opposite side, this new compound will be Mg2 plus, then I'll get my SO4 2 minus, and I will get plus Fe. So you can see that during this reaction the SO4 has not changed. Here it's SO4 2 minus, and over here it's still SO4 2 minus. So they are spectator ions, and what that means I can do is I can remove those from this equation, and that will then become, once those spectator ions are removed, Mg plus Fe2 plus, Fe2 plus, and that's going to make Mg2 plus Fe. Now what we need to look at in here is what's changing. You have a look at the magnesium. The magnesium has got no charge, and then it forms an ion with a 2 plus charge. So let's look at that first and see what's happening here. So there is my magnesium, and my magnesium is forming Mg2 plus. Ask yourself the question, how does something with no charge become positively charged? It does that by releasing electrons. So here we are going to have released 2 electrons. This therefore is losing electrons. So this part of the reaction represents oxidation because we have got loss of electrons. If you look at the iron, the Fe2 plus, so here's my Fe2 plus, then you can see it's gone from Fe2 plus and it's turned into Fe. So here it is turned into Fe. So I've gone from positive to something with no charge. In order to get something positive to no charge, it must pick up 2 electrons. 2 plus, add 2 electrons, become no charge. Because this is gaining those electrons, this is reduction. And therefore, as you can see, reduction and oxidation happening together is a redox reaction for this displacement reaction.